What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. And yes, my people, if you're new to the channel, it's 401-62876. What? Jamaican. You don't know it's your boy J. You don't know some Instagram is director J. If you want your photo shoot, music video done, and all of them things that we done, we travel worldwide. So if you want to book with somewhere, just know we fly out and we get there, right? And again, my people, to the channel again now, 401-62876. You know, say we mostly do vlogging for the Canadian content and Jamaican content, right? So in Canada now we do more the showing the ghettos, the hoods, the beach, the malls, the parks, and all of them stuff. Then we walk and talk like right now, and then we also jump on different topics. In Jamaica now we do the same thing, and we also show the house project where we really build the channel and where we started from, right? So the house project we really a bill, you know, cause you don't know, say when the dream house done, the Airbnb done, you don't know, so only pound and forward over they come book it, right? So I could come off of the topic then now, people. So just remember to like, share and subscribe, and just get me up for the 10,000 people, so we can start do some live streaming. You understand? Yeah man, that man code. But right now people, what we come to talk about is, oh boy, the jacket system in Jamaica. You understand? And the jacket where people really are get. Cause see, me have a virgin, you know. I not put film video in a video. I just got talk about what happened because him post him video, so it's on the media worldwide, right? And I did lay down what you hear me and say, what if me get a jacket too? Cause woman can play them stunt up a man any day and a man no really know what go on, right? So me tell you what happened to this virgin, you know. I'm gonna tell you what even happened to my virgin too. So this virgin now, he goes a bam. And I raise up this kid until this kid reach 12 years old. And then the woman I come tell the man, say, you know, say, I never hear picnic. See the problem when you tell a man that for so long, and this man attached to this child, and then no only know, say a lot of people, you know, I have picnic, you know, but a lot of people out there, you know, I look back from for them kids and them know so them have a bloodline out there and stuff like that, then can call them own. So when you do that to all this man now, you destroy this man entire lifestyle. It's like you corrupt the man from the man that say, yo, at 12 years me I raise this pitney, you know. 12 years this man I raise this pitney, my people. 12 years. I don't know if it all look good. 12 years this man I raise it, I don't want to do it like that. 12 years this man I raise the pitney, you know, my people. And then no, you come and just come tell this man, say, yo, and a year pitney. 12 years. You know what chip a man head would I get if you tell me all that 12 years, you know. The man said that for everything when the baby born, this and that, baby look like him and this and that, and I think him and the girl must go fall out. The girl finally open up and tell the man, and the man head go chip. Man come on social media and have to tell everybody. Say yo, at this hour up man, because the man have to vent, you know what I mean? And when man vent, some amount of people take it lightly, like one of a vent. A whole heap of crap man go through in a life too, you know. And a woman alone go through stuff, you know. A whole heap of things man go through in a life. See, the part with the jacket part, I don't have no problem, you know. But alright, if you know so ladies, you know so you go sleep with two man at one time. Right? You know you go sleep with two man. Because I put myself in that position. You know say you go sleep with two man at the same time. You know who you have sex without condom with, and you know who you have sex with condom with. Right? So at the end of the day, you know who for pick. And don't lie say the condom broke or this and that with the next one, so you don't know. And the one of them man they know if them busting at you or not. Come on now, we are big people. We are going to start facts. People, me are going to the store if you see what I go on, you know. See if we can see anything. Hopefully, the music now get to me inside here. Hopefully, I have my mic, you know. But, can't really see too good in there, so. I'll go and check out them place there right now, cause they in one deal place right now, my peeps. It's a photo shoot I'm supposed to come for do, But we just are going terry around. So I might just get the wireless mic, my people. So we can just walk and talk while I'm showing you inside of this spot right here. So also I might man. 1 second, my people, 1 second. Don't hate me, don't kill me yet. Cause this topic now go nowhere, people. Me guarantee you that. Me nah make it go nowhere. Alright now, people, we're back on the volume and the mic right now. If you don't like the mic better, or don't like the other volume, just the camera better. So people, one of them stove here want in a Jamaica for the dream house. So can help me get one? That'll be grateful. I know not help me get one, and you can put some, send me a cash app or something like that. I can sign up for cash app to people. Oh, so my favorite out of them people, Jaja God. Oh, me look at now. Alright, people, let's get back to work, yeah, man. So now, my people, you know, say, the girl, them know, say, alright, you gotta have sex with two men at one time. You not prevent yourself, or even in the time period. And sometimes some man too on it, and just want it right now, or they want it right there, or blah, blah, blah. Sometimes the girl them push them off, because the girl them know what go on to with their mentality and their mindset of what's going on, or what they just did, or stuff like that. I mean, if you really talk to a woman about this topic, God know, I really need to talk to a woman about this topic, so she can explain better to me of how these things goes. I not lie to you, God know. $2 for them cup shots, my people. Now only but actually colorful. I don't like the color thing where them a deal with right, so But $2, my people, $2. And let me have for some girls. Boy, I can buy them for some girls at Jamaica with a nice like that. $2 again. No sir. I don't know if I pick anything them or what. But I look over here, so I walk back from the side to the side. But you know what you are getting to, females out there. And you could have prevented all of this issue. See, my virgin. My virgin link me and say, yo, Jay, when you go to Jamaica? I say, I go down the time, You know, so the man goes to bomb me people, because the man say, yo, him not trust the girl, and because true, him come from Canada. I'm a big man in Canada. You understand? Him having big job and stuff like that. So, the girl I try push the baby upon him because him live a foreign. So she no want to give to the local ghetto youth man way down the road, and she know who breed her to, my people. Me say the girl know who breed her, but the man ain't have no money, and my virgin have money. So my virgin say, yo, every time the girl a pest me, if you send money, the family will get involved. Every time me I send money, every time she a tell me say, she sick out, this sick out, baby sick out. A man I say, baby, she need money for her thing. Baby born now. The man say, nah, even got Jamaica for see all baby. The man I say, oh Jay, you know say something up with this baby. Because them just stop pushing and say, my baby and this and that. And you know, say about 1 or 2 times I go kill the girl, and it's my fault. Because I run go kill the girl. And now we're not backative. You understand? Because you don't know me like, I say, brother, Jamaica that you there in the you don't know anything can happen, bro. The man I say, but more time you just there in that vibes there and thing. I'm sorry to pick your own poison, and just the life go, And that can happen to anybody anywhere too. At the end of the day, I just say Jamaica. Anywhere you go, so people don't bash me if me just say, oh Jamaica, I just do that happen to Jamaica, I say bam bam bam. And them girl at Jamaica more time, Once I see a foreigner man, and the foreigner, I say no foreigner man, I say a foreigner man who have money. And I spend money, big baller type of man them. You know, so them me fling it up on easy. Me not no big money, I no big baller. Only thing me have money for do, I try to put it on my house. So any girl I try to come through, me just tell them that. Yesterday them just back up and walk away because them no know say house is a big commodity, whatever them name. House is a big investment. It's like them not care about them things there. Or if you not buy one house uptown, them not care about them things there. So most of them just walk away from me, man. So we don't really have nobody I look at me down here compared to my big spenders bridging them. So the man come and tell me, say, yo, boom, boom, boom. So the dog say, yo, so when you go down, more you bring a kit with you. I say, what kind of kit you talk about? The man say, yo, more you do a DNA swab on the picnic for me, you know. Because I know say I know my picnic, you know. My mother tell me say I know my picnic that too, you know. And I say, you know what? Say less, fam. So the day before me for leave, I go so bam and meet up the people them and swab the picnic right in front of me. Oh, so one of them made me do a try for buying my people $200 for it. A 3-piece set. Kinda small do and sponge kinda. Yeah, I don't know. I like it, but $2 bills, yeah, man, say man go so boom and we swab the picnic and bring it back out my foreign. And then down the line. And the man say, yo, man call me back and say, you know, say I never have my picnic. I wicked I push them that try push the picnic on me, throw me from foreign. And look like, hey, that boy where the girl go breed for. Nah, no money or nothing in my dog. And me I say, I'll watch all of them wickedness thing there, man. So you have hope and dream making this man know, think of him picnic. When you know, say, another man picnic for months, weeks and years, and when this picnic grow up big, you probably go tell the man, say, you know, say, Jevoy or Kemoy or whoever, whatever the picnic want for name. You go say, you know, say, I know your picnic. How you expect a man to feel when you tell all a man that? I love this. I love this stent. 139. I love this stent, people. How you expect a man to feel when a man has sent on him hard earning money? You think Canada easy? All the forklift driver them. Man over here, big forklift them driving them. Now warehouse and factory, you know, just to make a living. How you imagine how a man really feel when you tell him, say, the picnic and a film, and he must send down money every single month, every single year. The dog has send. Money big and I talk to the youth and I groom up the youth like a film youth. And then you have to tell the man, say, you know, say, I know your picnic or such man picnic or whatever. And you lie to me for years just because you're in need of the money. That's why some man out there don't have to watch out. More time I know I'll go on vacation. And you know, I get me a man too, you know, so I can tell you, know, and no lie and no joke thing, you know. But more time we have to watch yourself hard, you know. Because some man and girl, you know, them pray. What them say, them prayer. Like, you know them like prayer. I not talk prayer, you know. I talk them prayer upon the man them who them see out there will have things. And make it known, say, yeah, the man them want. Because the man they live a foreign and the money. And you know, say, look, I'll get a youth down the road can do a bit more better than some of them money who live a foreign. And them not even know that. But no, them pray up and some of them money are foreign and some of them money are so weak. Because them all go back in the same community where them come from. And say, Kerisha, Tanisha, Marisha, whoever, Nisha, and Anna and Felisa. And say, a long time, and yeah, Felicia just put a one jacket on you. So, whole lot, boy. Yeah. So, just hold the one jacket there right underneath you. You did send money for years after years after years. You know how much people that happen to me, people? They know you say you go marry Keisha or Felicia or whatever. And you say, you know what? I send for my youth and you have to do blood test now. I go send for my youth and send for my woman so then come up to Canada. Boy, oh boy, this so your head I go get cheap right now. And this so your head get lick. People you see them have the cooler, them will meet always want to buy. One of them you want a Jamaica, you know. Travel cooler, $89. I wish I come back up on the place. I know so it's a photo shoot I'm supposed to go to my people. You put it in your car, my people. And this is that nice in Jamaica right now, you see. You plug it in and see car adapter there right there, so my people. And you just know, see you have your cooler right in your car, my people, for $89. That a big man right there, so you know my people. A big steel that you get right there, so my people. Me not joke. Me need to buy one. Me come back over here, so though still. You imagine that you find out and then now and there, it wasn't your picnic. No. Picnic at 13, 14, 15 now, so the last 15 years. Me I take care of picnic. We are not my one. And now, and you see them things I know. You go make the picnic go meet all of real daddy and thing. No, I'm not even remember. And that's why some man head get chip, you know. Because now, the picnic not even remember what this man did for him or for her for the last 15 years after your life, because them are going to say, oh, you're not my real father or this and that. And then man, you not even know how much sacrifice them man, you probably sacrifice to Canada or America or England. To make sure food reach you, make sure school bill play. To make sure everything take care of rent, pay our house, have to build up and all of them things there. And your mother style me like this. You know how much man I go through them crying their headache at night time. Say the picnic never my one, brother. I know look for me. You know how much man I have to do that, my people. No come on, man. The amount of man head on get on a lick. On a lick a whole heap of people. Head my people. And I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you because I hear people over here talk about it wickedly. And a whole heap of people head get shit because of them type of vibes there. And some of you people them just don't care. Don't care what happen. It's like some of you don't care about man at the end of the day. And as some of you don't care how a male figure feel. Or like male don't bring feelings. Or we don't have sad moments, we don't have depression, we don't have anxiety, we don't have none of them things. We just get up and go work and go need money and call it a day. And we just shut them out. And that's about it. Nothing else behind that. And as some feel, so most women look for a man. And some women out there too, just love to control some of the man them. And some of the man them like all myself. That's why I'm in a relationship with nobody, you know. But nobody now go control my mentality. Because of this so now. All some man, I see all them come a foreign. I look up and I brother to them, I watch all the video. The woman married and bringing come to England. Yes, there's two sides to the story now, but we just see a theme side of the story first, right? Woman bring the man come a foreign. I think of England the brother talk from. Man they are England and live good life. And all of a sudden the man are just start have problem and this and that. I'll microwave with a nice singer Jamaica. Yo, people love come off attack me key man. The man woman just start have problem and woman kick him out. No remember you know, him alone there now in a foreign in England by himself, you know. Woman kick him out now, my people. So you know where to go now, you know. You understand? Then all of a sudden, the man homeless. Know where to go again. Probably have to kick it to that one friend when you meet and stuff. No job or nothing. You know, so this woman cancel him man blood. Sorry about the bad word. You know, so this woman cancel the man visa with stay in England. Also, you know how much trauma and mentality you put somebody like that on and now. And you gotta tell me some people like if you just be all good and courageous. Oh people them have pampers pan sale, you know. How are this? 18 months years old. $5 one pack, you know, my people from $14, you know. Yeah. Bike helmets. All suitcase them. How much you suitcase them? $50 a piece. You know how much trauma you put somebody like that through, my people, when you do them things there. That not nice, none at all. That can't be nice. You understand? No, so I always want one in like every time I buy one, it never work good yet. And I buy no more, and you go the old clock them. And them have teas and stuff over here so too. But yeah man, my people, so more time females and have a heart more time man and bridging them out there and have watching yourself like me say. Some of them female them pray up on people man. Them just want to hold all one alone, no. Make all one and them have no sense and all of them things. They just all they think about are money. And only they want grip and policy, man. Then use them little thing pound, you see. You turn idiot. You start come back a foreign and stop spend money. You must spend it while by the time them done deal with you. Yeah man, my people are so them treat them. I'm not gonna lie. I am not going to lie, my people. So man's them out there. Uno just watching yourself with una and these females in a Jamaica or anywhere you go, and not just Jamaica alone. Worldwide, you just watching yourself worldwide with these females, because I always got them Republic, I got Cuba, I see them thing, got Jamaica, I see them thing. Them girls can't be trusted. Them girls don't really care. At the end of the day, them just want what you can give them right now, then and there. So you just watching yourself, my people. Remember I'm telling you that. And you will be good from you watch yourself, you know. You will be good. How much for this? $7. Flexible rear view mirror phone. Yeah man, my people, so me buy one of them phone thing. I call my last job, me leave my last one and I never go back and get it back. So I'm gonna try to get a new one right now. Lucky me to walk come around here still and I vent out on this thing, because like I say, whole heap of man go through things and not really come here and talk about it. This stuff. And not talk about it. You understand me, people? What's up? I want to buy this stuff.
No, I'm looking at that.
No, yeah, it's not looking at you.
No, I'm looking at
Oh, you're looking at the camera. Oh, I'm just making sure it's not looking at you, you know? It's looking at me. Yeah, man, my people. You want to look for you? Oh, can I cash these out?
Sure.
Yeah. Yes, my people. So I try to leave this store right now and go back to the photo shoot, because I don't know. At 20 at 1 minute that. If people want to elaborate more on topics like these, and just make me know, because like I say, we talk and stuff we go through, we just attack on, you understand? So I know nothing more personal or anything like that. The camera is called the DJI Pocket 3. Oh, so much money already. How much tax you charge me already, daddy? You know, I would take. Alright, we just pay a fee and done. It's called the DJI Pocket 3. They have the Pocket 2 and they have the Pocket 3. You could get them off Amazon. It's one of the best games. You just turn it around like this, videotape, turn it back around to you, and videotape, and plus it comes with a wireless mic. And it's good for
YouTubers better.
For YouTube.
Yeah, vlog with it.
Yeah.
TikTok and then.
Yeah, and you can turn it the next way and you go vertical mode for stories and shorts and stuff like that. So like how you have this store right now, it's good for you to, but you could just use your iPhone at the end of the day and get the same type of quality. But this is a little bit better quality. Yeah, but this again now, it's a little bit harder now because you have to take the footage off and put it on a computer to edit. Your iPhone now, you could just edit probably on your phone and post. You understand? So this is a 2-step. Your iPhone is just a 1-step. So I would say go with the iPhone. Yeah. But if you're a vlogger though, this is the vlogging camera. All right.
How much?
Probably $1,050 for the combo. So $1,300 plus tax.
Type it in there.
You just type in DJI Pocket and type in DJI. 1 second, my people. I'm gonna try to help out somebody.
People make money with TikTok.
People do make money with TikTok.
Yeah, but you gotta be millions of followers.
No, you don't have to be millions of followers. You just have to keep on pushing yourself and the content that you post to make it work. So yeah, that's the combo. So that's the one with the mic. You probably won't get the battery like what I have and stuff like that.
$1,000 for that shit.
Yeah. So plus tax, will come up probably like $1,200.
How much battery life?
That one does, cause that's not the combo. The combo comes with an external battery and stuff. So that's why I say 1,300. And yeah, this one it comes with a battery and stuff like that, and it's make it work.
How much time? The whole day you can talk?
No, you're not gonna talk the whole day. You're gonna talk till your SD card, your SD card full up or your body die and you have to change it out, right? But just YouTube it up and stuff. Alright, brother? Respect. Yes, we're people, so we're back again. And again, my people, like, me not come here for bash nobody. Me not bash the man them. And me not bash the girl them. But sometimes we have to come out here and talk about real life and real facts. And that's what this channel is really for, is talking about the real life and real facts. So somebody not really like when me I walk and talk, I feel them problem that. They can unsubscribe. But don't unsubscribe now, because you don't know, so we always are going to more content for every little thing what we do at the end of the day. So again, my people, we're not going to drag it out. Just going to say, oh, bless up everyone. And we might have to do a next vlog today, you know. Hopefully this girl is finished her makeup and stuff. We can go shoot up this photo shoot right now and head out back to south side. So again, everybody, bless up on yourself. Hope you enjoy local talking, local reasoning. Man and woman out there, you just know so you protect yourself. And woman out there, you just try and stop giving man him jacket. And man him out there, try to stop use some money. Forget woman. You understand? If a woman like you, she'd like you. But don't know so some of we ugly. Woman not gonna like you like that. So you don't know you have to use what you have still. But just knowing in your mindset, so yo, the woman you're a player. And you should try to use it for your look at dividends. You understand? And make sure you know that from early, you know. Because if you don't know that from early, you can sit down and cry about it. And don't come to YouTube and say, you know, so she do me this and she do me that. Don't ball to us, cry to God. Everybody, and bless upon yourself here, man. Just a walk and talk. You don't know 4162 876 Jamaica. I'm out.